This is a cabinet saw. So there's a box, cabinet, that the saw sits on.
Okay.
Okay? And when you get it, you got to put it together. It doesn't come to you assembled. And all of these saws, not all of these saws, but all the cabinet saws are on a cast iron table with 1 or 2 extensions like I have. There's an extension table right here. There's a seam right here. This is the main table. There's an extension here, and another extension here. So, cabinet saws generally come 220 volt. You have 220 volt at your house. Okay? Don't stick your finger into the blade. It's just basic. So I'm going to throw this into the saw.
Do any of us need to move?
Nothing happens. No kickback. Nothing happens. Blade jam. Where it's contacting the wood, it's going down and into the table. So what little force is coming at me is pretty minor. The force is all down and into the table. So if you can arrange your saw cut so that everything's happening at the front of the blade, other than gross stupidity, you'll be safe. Usually it's 1 in the middle and 2 behind, and you loosen those bolts or tighten those bolts, whichever process you're working on, and you adjust this table so that these miter gauge slots are parallel with the blade. That's number 1. It's got to be parallel with the blade. So I take a combination square and sit it in the miter gauge slot and rotate the blade and have it just touching. There's a piece of chalk around there earlier, but I don't see it now. Just touching. And then rotate it to the back and make sure it's just touching again. Okay? So now it's parallel. We know it's parallel with the miter gauge slots. Good, that's our starting point. Lock everything down. What's the problem? Well, the cut is being made at the front of the blade. There's the first inch is where the cut's being made. And what we want to do is prevent the cut from occurring at the back of the blade. So if you're seeing burn marks on your cuts, if you're seeing the imprint of the saw on a board that goes through, that means that your fence is either set parallel or out of parallel towards the blade. That's not good.